So as a student, I spend around 6 to 7 hours sitting in front of my laptop. It's either for schoolwork, completing assignments, analyzing case studies, or in my case, additionally, for editing these YouTube videos and researching about new ideas. Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Arif and I'm a first year student enrolled at ESSEC Business School for the Grand École MIM program. And this is my desk setup video. So for me, this is one of the most important spaces in my room and I've tried to customize it as per my liking. This is where I attend all my classes from, watch YouTube or Netflix, make all of these indoor videos and edit the same. Now my utmost priority when it comes to this desk is to keep it as organized as possible and to have everything that I need at an arm's distance. Basically having a frictionless experience in everything that I'm doing. So let's get started. Now first, the desk. Now since I live in a furnished residence by the school, I didn't need to buy any furniture from outside and the desk was already a part of the room. And I quite like the desk. It's huge and can store everything that I need and still have some space for extra stuff. It's an L-shaped desk with the main light of the room at one of the corners. Now let's move on to the center of attraction of the desk. I have the HP 27W LET monitor, which is undoubtedly the best purchase I have made in France. Before this, whenever I used to work on my laptop or just watch something, I used to be in a hunchback position while looking down at my laptop screen. And this used to give me terrible neck pains. Ever since I got the monitor, I can keep my head straight, and because of the extra screen, I have also doubled the amount of work I can do. One thing in my opinion that I miss at this desk is a desk lamp. In the morning, I just use the light coming in from the window on the left side as my main light source. And at night, I use the main light present in the room or just light a bunch of candles near the keyboard. Now I know that it's not the perfect solution, but it does work for me. So after that, surrounding the monitor, I have what every tech and student YouTuber seems to have at their desk. A fake IKEA plant. If somebody knows why everybody keeps this on their desk, just let me know in the comments below, please. Now to the left side of the monitor, I've started keeping my main camera on which I'm shooting right now and also my secondary camera. Now since most of the time my laptop is in the clamshell mode, during my Zoom calls I need a webcam. So I just plug my GoPro into my laptop and that acts as my webcam. To the right side of the monitor, I have a few A4 sheets and a notebook and a cup pen stand in case I need to take down physical notes or just draw a masterpiece. Also, I always have the iPad right in front of me. It's the base iPad 7th generation and all of my school notes are also here. I even use this as a Kindle instead of the Kindle itself. Now coming to the supporting characters of the desk, I have this Dell wireless keyboard which I had back in Hyderabad as well. I've been using it for 2 years now and it's worked perfectly fine for me. To the right side of the keyboard, I have this ultimate beast, the Logitech MX Master 3. I have been using this mouse for the last 8 months and I don't think I can go back to any normal mouse after that. It's increased my productivity by at least 50 to 60% and the Logitech software also allows me to configure all the buttons on the mouse depending on the application that I'm using it in. Now all of these supporting characters are powered by the main hero on the desk, the 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch. I switched to this laptop last June for my editing needs and I have been loving this since then. It's been my daily driver since then and although it's heavy and huge, I have no problems carrying it around. It has a 2.6 GHz 6-core 9th generation Intel i7 processor with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage and the trusted Magic Keyboard. To the left side, I have everything that I might need when I'm sitting at the desk. I have all different kinds of cables, USB-C, USB-A, micro USB, lightning, etc. and all my wired and wireless earphones. I also have a bunch of notebooks and some candles from IKEA. Now recently, I also got this air humidifier and I'm loving it since then. Yes, I am, sorry. Now whenever I'm in a study mood or just want to get some work done, I have this whole go-to setup with pink lights underneath my desk, a candle right next to my monitor but at a safe distance, and a few drops of oil into my air humidifier and I'm good. Additionally, if I am in need of an accountability partner, I open up the laptop screen as well and just put up a study with me video from Jimmy's channel, MD Prosper. By the way, I've been thinking of making a study with me video as well and you guys can use that video as your accountability partner. Just let me know about this idea in the comments below. I'd really appreciate that. Now underneath the desk, like I mentioned, I have these LEDs stuck around the corner which helps me set the mood of the room. I have different lights for when I go to bed, for when I shoot these videos, or for when I'm watching something on YouTube or Netflix. Now coming to the chair, it's nothing fancy, it was already there present in the room. Now I've been thinking of changing the chair to a more comfortable one, but that decision is still pending. So yeah, I think that was it from my desk setup video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And by the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, do check that out as well. I'm fairly regular in posting there as well. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.